Now, more than 1 million Americans might be staring at the face of a severe winter storm. A snowstorm that hit the U.S. Midwest on Friday has moved towards the U.S. Northeast, resulting in the cancellation of flights and train services during the holiday weekend. The U.S. Weather Service has issued storm warnings for a large swathes of eastern U.S. More than 100 million people are expected to be affected. Now, 1/3 of the flights were cancelled in Chicago. The storm is expected to dump up to 2 feet of snow in the Northeast. The snowfall will continue on Monday as well in New York and Maine. The governors of the states of New Jersey and Pennsylvania have declared emergencies in their states ahead of the warnings for high snow accumulation and potential flooding. Railway operator Amtrak have cancelled its train service from Chicago to many East Coast areas like Boston, Washington, D.C. and New York.